Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your authentication failed in Gcash 2024. Let's begin. The first thing that you want to do is open up settings. After doing so, you are going to find your storage. So for Samsung, it's under battery and device care. Then tap on storage. And then look for apps. So it's over there, it says 16 gigabytes. Once it's done, you are going to search up Gcash using the search option. Then once you've opened up Gcash in the settings, what you're going to do is you're going to look for storage again. Now all you need to do is you have two options where it says clear data and clear cache. So you're going to clear cache first and then you're going to clear the data. And it says here all of this application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. So once you've decided that you want to, you are going to select OK. Then you go back to Gcash and try to log in with your details. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.